Why are you pushing me?
No!
Why are you pushing me too?
No!
Let's see why she's shouting. Let me take my baby. Yeah, it's fine. So let's just keep this baby.
MM1 Jesus Baby, Gospel Artist Minister Mercy Chinwo's husband, Pastor Bless, surprised her with a luxurious, beautiful, perfect birthday gift. The gospel artist who just got married to her lovely husband some days back had a shocking, pleasant surprise from her husband. She took it to her social media page to congratulate him. She then asked her fans to rush to her husband's page and say thank you on her behalf. They should also let him know that she sent them. Her joy was overflow, and in her own words she said, "I have the best birthday gift in the world." Her birthday gift, which is a luxury brand new car, was presented to her as she gladly almost pulled her husband down with her shocking face, jumping from here to there, with her contagious laughter causing all those around her to follow suit. Finally, she took lovely pictures with her car, including her husband, and finally she gave a big thank you to God, to her husband, and to all those present. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more new and pleasant content. Catch you next time. Stay blessed.